So if you want to 3D print something like the 3D prints I have back there, the Ender 3 Pro, then one thing you can do is learn how to 3D print. And before you do that, you got to slice your files. So the way slicing works is you print this software, and it's going to, as you print by layers, it's going to discretize the voxels at which you print. So let's go ahead and slice something up. And usually you need a STL file or another neutral formatted file. So once you have your file, it shows up here. You can look at the different planes, orientations, and use your mouse to click and drag apart. You have different features here in the left-hand tab that allows you to change blocks for support, mirror the parts or features, and to scale it. So we're going to scale this to make it smaller. Let's try 50% smaller. Let's go ahead and slice this. So 1 hour and 3 minutes for this Tika alpaca benchmark print, and it's about 3 grams. So once you have your sliced STL, it's going to translate that into G-code, and we're going to use this G-code to tell the 3D printer where to print in space. This will be an SD card, and the adapter will be one of these. It has a slot for the micro SD card, which is smaller, and it goes into the SD card. And then we can take this adapter with a micro SD card inside and take that over to the printer over here. The main gist is that you turn it on over here, and you can customize your settings. I already have set it up for PLA, and so loading PLA and ABS or other filaments would be for a different video. But in this case, this would be your micro SD card. So you want to put this micro SD card in the slot right here, and it would read the slot. Then you go to your settings, you initiate the SD card, then you can print from the SD card. So we'll go ahead and find our file name, Tika alpaca, and then you would start print. I've already calibrated the 3D printer to adjust for the leveling. So you have these knobs on the side, and so these knobs allow for manual adjustment of leveling because you want your printing bed to be leveled. So let's go ahead and initiate the print. So now that you have your printed part, what you want to do next is you want to let it cool down, or you want to right away, you can get a spatula. Disengage the clips, and you have the clips. You put it on a flat surface, you grab your spatula. In this case, you're just going to wedge the part off. Now the part is off, you wedged it off with the spatula. And And that's pretty much it. How to 3D print something.